This week we've been doing The Bad-Tempered Ladybird and finding out a lot about time and clocks. And I found a lovely story called What's the Time, Mr. Wolf? That's a game that you can play. Maybe you could play it with your family, or if you're in school, maybe you can get your grown-ups to help you play the game. So, what's the time, Mr. Wolf? Here we go. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And tell us why you're yawning. It's 7 o'clock. I've just got up. It's early in the morning. You see the clock there saying 7 o'clock? What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And where are you going to go? It's 8 o'clock. I'm busy. And wouldn't you like to know? There's the 8 showing 8 o'clock. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And what are you going to do? It's 9 o'clock. I'm off to pick some mushrooms for a stew. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And what are you doing? Please tell. It's 10 o'clock. I need to fetch some water from the well. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And why the great big pot? It's 11 o'clock. I'm cooking. I want to make a lot. What's the time, Mr. Wolf? And have you made the stew? It's 12 o'clock. I'm hungry and I'm going to eat. You! But Mr. Wolf was joking and he gave us each a plate. We all sat down to dinner and his mushroom stew was great. So that's good. He didn't eat them in the end.